Now just recall integral of secant square x dx is equal to tan x, because differentiation of tan x is secant square, integral of secant square x is tan x. If you observe carefully, this is of the form integral f dash x divided by f of x dx. So if the function is in the denominator and the derivative of the function is in the numerator, then the integral of such function is always equal to log of f of x plus c. So if you multiply, root x into 1 is root x, plus root x into root x is root x whole square is nothing but x itself. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Basic Mathematics Revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to discuss regarding chapter 20, that is indefinite integrals. So in integral calculus we have two chapters, one is indefinite integrals and the last one is the definite integrals. Today let us discuss regarding indefinite integrals. Before going to the exact chapter, let us know regarding the weightage for this chapter. So for this chapter the weightage is 5 marks. You may expect 1 mark question and a 2 marker questions. Now move on to the 1 marker questions. Let us recall the very important integral formula. Integration of x to the power of n dx is always equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where c is called the constant of integration and n is not equal to minus 1. So for example, let us consider integral of x square dx. Integral of x square is x to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3 plus c. X to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus c is the integrated answer. Now move on to the first problem. Evaluate 1 over cube root of x to the power of 5. So this can be written as 1 over x to the power of 5. Cube root means 1 by 3 into dx. This is equal to integral 1 over x to the power of 5 by 3 dx. Take this to the numerator. Whenever this is taken to the numerator, it becomes x to the power of minus 5 by 3 dx. Now integrate it. This is equal to x to the power of minus 5 by 3 plus 1. X to the power of minus 5 by 3 plus 1 divided by minus 5 by 3 plus 1. That's equal to x to the power of, take LCM, 3 is the LCM. What is LCM? 3 is the LCM. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 by 3. So x to the power of minus 2 by 3 divided by minus 2 by 3, or this can also be written as minus 3 by 2. Bring this to the denominator, x to the power of 2 by 3 plus c. So the integrated answer is minus 3 divided by 2 into x to the power of 2 by 3 plus c is the integrated answer. 1 mark. Now move on to the next problem. Evaluate x to the power of e plus c to the power of x minus log a into dx. Now this is term by term integration. Integral of x power e dx plus integration of e to the power of x dx minus integration of log a dx. So integration of x to the power of e is of the form x to the power of n into dx, x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is x to the power of e plus 1 divided by e plus 1 plus integration of e power x is e power x minus log a to log a is constant is kept out, integration of dx is x plus c. So the integrated answer is x to the power of e plus 1 by e plus 1 plus c to the power of x minus log a into x plus c is the integrated answer. Now you may expect this for 2 marks. Now move on to the next problem. Evaluate 1 over 7x plus 8 dx. Now here you know the integration of 1 over x dx is always equal to log x plus c. Similarly, integration of 1 over ax plus b dx is always equal to log of ax plus b divided by the coefficient of x is a plus c. So this is of the form integration of 1 over ax plus b is log of 7x plus 8 divided by a is the coefficient of x plus c. So this can be written as 1 over 7 log 7x plus 8 plus c is the integrated answer. 1 mark MCQ question, right? So integration of 1 over 7x plus 8 is log 7x plus 8 divided by 7, or 1 over 7 log of 7x plus 8 plus c is the integrated answer. Okay, hope you followed. Now Move on to the next problem. This is an important problem. Evaluate secant square x minus 5 into dx. Now just recall integral of secant square x dx is equal to tan x, because differentiation of tan x is secant square, integral of secant square x is tan x. Now let us take the substitution. This can be done easily by the method of substitution. Put t is equal to x minus 5. Differentiate it. dt by dx is equal to differentiation of x is 1, 5 constant 0, that is 1, cross multiply, dt is equal to dx. Now this given integral becomes integral secant square x minus 5. X minus 5 is nothing but t, and dx is equal to dt. Now what is integral of secant square t? Integral of secant square x is tan x. Integral of secant square t is tan t plus c. Now this is equal to tan of, what is t we have taken? X minus 5 plus c. That's it. So integration of secant square x minus 5 dx is tan x minus 5 plus c. So if you want, you can straight away do integral of secant square is tan. So tan x minus 5 divided by a is the coefficient of x is 1. So tan x minus 5 plus c is the integrated answer. Now move on to the next problem. Evaluate secant x into secant x minus tan x. This is also a very important problem for 1 mark MCQ. Just multiply it. Secant into secant is secant square x minus secant x tan x dx. Now if you integrate term by term integral, integral of secant square x dx minus integration of secant x into tan x dx. So integral of secant square x is tan x minus, what is integral of secant x tan x? Integral of secant x tan x is secant x plus c. Since differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x, integral of secant x tan x is secant x. So the required answer is tan x minus secant x plus c is the required answer. Similarly, there is one more problem like this, that is, suppose if it is like this, evaluate cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x dx. So this can also be written as cosecant into cosecant is cosecant square x plus cosecant x cot x dx. Now integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x, and integration of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x plus c is the integrated answer. So for cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x, the answer is minus cot x minus cosecant x. For secant x into secant x minus tan x is tan x minus secant x plus c is the integrated answer. These two problems are very important for the point of examination, right? Move on to the next problem. Evaluate x square minus 6 by x plus 5 times e to the power of x dx. So this is also term by term integration. Integral of x square dx minus 6 constant integration of 1 over x dx plus 5 constant integral of e power x dx. So integral of x to the power of 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3. 6 into integration of 1 over x is log x plus 5 into integral of e to the power of x is e to the power of x plus c is the integrated answer. So integral of x square is x cube by 3, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3 minus 6 into integration of 1 over x is log x, because differentiation of log x is 1 over x, plus 5 into integral of e power x is e power x itself, right? Now move on to the next problem. 4 times secant square x dx. Now since this can be written as 4 into integral of secant square x dx. Integral of secant square x, you know what is differentiation of tan x? Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So integral of secant square x is tan x, 4 tan x plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Secant square x is tan x. Now, so if you observe carefully, this is of the form sin A into cos B. What is the formula for sin A cos B? Sin A cos B is always equal to half of sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is the formula we are going to use. Sin A cos B is half sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Now, this is equal to 1 by 2 out integral A is 3x, B is equal to 2x. Sin of 3x plus 2x plus sin of 3x minus 2x into dx. So 1 by 2 into integral of sin 3x plus 2x is 5x plus integral of sine 3 minus 2 is x dx. Now, so there is one formula, since integration of sine ax dx is also equal to minus cos ax by a. Integration of sine ax is minus cos ax by a. So, here what is a? A is 5. So, this can be written as half into integration of sine 5x is minus cos 5x divided by 5 plus integration of sine x is minus cos x plus c. So, therefore, the required answer is half of minus cos 5x by 5 minus into plus minus cos x plus c is the integrated answer. That is it. Okay. So, if you want, you can multiply minus cos 5x by 10 minus cos x divided by 2. So, if you want, you can write the answer for this like this, or this is equal to multiply by 1 by 2 minus cos 5x divided by 5 to the 10 minus cos x divided by 2 plus c is the integrated answer. That is it. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. Evaluate e to the power of x divided by e raised to x plus 1. This is also an important problem for 2 marks. This can be done by the method of substitution. So, put t is equal to e to the power of x plus 1. Differentiate it. dt by dx is equal to differentiation of e power x is e power x plus 1 constant 0. Therefore, cross multiply dt is equal to e power x dx. So, this given integral becomes given integral e to the power of x dx, this entire quantity. This can be written as e to the power of dx divided by e power x plus 1. E power x dx is equal to dt divided by e raised to x plus 1 is t. So, this is integration of 1 over t dt. Integration of 1 over t is log t plus c, logarithm of t. What is t? T is e power x plus 1 plus c is the integrated answer. That is it. Okay. Very simple. This is a 2-marker question. Note, suppose if it is for 1 mark, if you observe carefully, this is of the form integral f dash x divided by f of x dx. So, if the function is in the denominator and the derivative of the function is in the numerator, then the integral of such function is always equal to log of f of x plus c. So, see here f of x is denominator e power x plus 1, differentiation of f of x, f dash x is differentiation of e power x is e power x itself. So, therefore, straight away you can write log of e power x plus 1 plus c. F dash x by f of x log of e power x plus 1 plus c is the integrated answer. Right. Now, move on to the next problem. Sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x. Now, this is also an important problem. Here, this can be written as sin square x is also equal to 1 minus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. Now, this is of the form a square minus b square. So, 1 minus cos square can also be written as 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x divided by the denominator is 1 plus cos x into dx. Now, cancel the terms. 1 plus cos x gets cancelled. What is left over in the numerator is 1 minus cos x dx integrated. Integration of dx is x minus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. The integrated answer is x minus sin x. See, sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square. Numerator 1 minus cos square is a square minus b square. A square minus b square can also be written as a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. 1 plus cos x and 1 plus cos x in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. What is left over in the numerator is 1 minus cos x. Integrate it. Integration of dx is x and cos x is sin x plus c is the integrated answer. Now, move on to the next problem. This is also an important problem. Evaluate secant square x tan x divided by 3 plus secant square x. So, let us integrate this by the method of substitution. Put t is equal to 3 plus secant square x. Now, differentiate it. dt by dx is equal to derivative of 3 constant 0. Differentiation of secant square x is This is function of a function. F of x to the power of n is n into f of x to the power of n minus 1 into d by dx of f of x. What is n here? N is 2 secant x, 2 secant x into differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. So, therefore, only dt is equal to 2 times secant into secant is secant square x into tan x dx. So, the numerator can also be written as, just bring this to the denominator, dt by 2 is equal to secant square x tan x into dx. So, this given integral become integral secant square x tan x dx, this entire quantity secant square x tan x dx is equal to dt by 2 whole divided by 3 plus secant square x is nothing but t. So, you can take 1 by 2 out, then this can be written as 1 over t dt, 1 over 2 into integration of 1 over t is log t plus c. Now, just substitute the value of t. What is t you have taken? T is equal to 3 plus secant square. So, 1 over 2 log of 3 plus secant square x plus c is the integrated answer. That is it. Okay, very simple. This is also of the form f dash x by f of x. Now, move on to the next problem. So, this is very important problem. So, you may expect this for 2 or 3 marks. Evaluate 3 power x log 3 divided by 3 to the power of x plus 1. So, this can also be done by the method of substitution. Put t is equal to 3 power x plus 1. Differentiate it. So, differentiating with respect to x, dt by dx is equal to d by dx of 3 power x plus d by dx of 1. So, since you know the formula for d by dx of a to the power of x is a power x log a to base c. Now, if you differentiate this, differentiation of 3 power x is 3 power x log 3 to base c plus derivative of a constant is 0. So, therefore, dt can be written as 3 to the power of x into log 3 into dx. So, given integral becomes given integral. So, 3 power x log 3 dx is nothing but dt divided by 3x to 3 to the power of x plus 1 is nothing but t. So, this is integration of 1 over t dt. 1 over t is nothing but log t plus c. This is logarithm of what is t have taken? 3 to the power of x plus 1 plus c is the integrated answer. So, log t plus c, that is logarithm of 3 power x plus 1 plus c is the integrated answer. Right. Very simple and important problem. Right. Now, move on to the next problem. Evaluate 1 over root x plus x. So, this can be written as integral 1 over root x as it is plus this x can also be written as root of x whole the square, root x whole square into dx. Now, you can take the common factor, root x is taken out, then this becomes 1 plus root x into dx. Okay. See, if you multiply root x into 1 is root x plus root x into root x is root x whole square is nothing but x itself. Now, you can take the substitution. Put t is equal to 1 plus root x. Now, differentiate it. Dt is equal to differentiation of root x is 1 over 2 root x into dx. So, therefore, cross multiplied 2 dt is equal to 1 over root x into dx. Substitute here. So, therefore, this given integral becomes integral. So, 1 over root x dx is nothing but 2 dt. This becomes 2 dt. Your 1 plus root x is nothing but t. So, this is 2 into integration of 1 over t dt is 2 into log t plus c. This is 2 times logarithm of what is t we have taken? T is equal to 1 plus root x plus c is the integrated answer. That is it. 2 into log of 1 plus root x plus c is the integrated answer. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. Evaluate 4x square minus 2x plus 7 to the power of 3 by 2 into 4x minus 1 dx. So, this can also be done by the method of substitution. Put t is equal to 4x square minus 2x plus 7. Now, differentiate it. Dt is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x, 4 into 2x minus 2 into differentiation of x is 1. So, into dx, right. So, you can take 2 common factor here. Dt is equal, if you take 2 out, what you will get? 2 is gone, 4 into x is 4x minus 2 is gone, just 1 into dx. So therefore, dt by 2 is equal to 4x minus 1 into dx. So this given integral can be written as given integral is equal to 4x square minus 2x plus 7 is nothing but t to the power of 3 by 2. This is t to the power of 3 by 2 into this entire quantity 4x minus 1 dx is nothing but dt divided by 2. So 1 by 2 out, t to the power of 3 by 2 dt, integration of 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c, right. Integration of t to the power of 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 plus 1, that's equal to t to the power of 2 ones are 2 plus 3 is 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2, this goes to the numerator 2 by 5. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 1 over 5 into, substitute the value of t. What is t we have taken? 4x square minus 2x plus 7 whole to the power of 5 by 2 plus c is the integrated answer. So the answer for this is right here 1 over 5 times this function 4x square minus 2x plus 7 whole to the power of 5 by 2 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. So, this is also same as that of the previous problem. Evaluate 4x plus 3 divided by 2x square plus 3x plus 5. So, this can be done by the method of substitution. So, what is the substitution we are going to take? Put t is equal to denominator 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Differentiate it. dt by dx is equal to 2 into differentiation of x square is 2x plus 3 into differentiation of x is 1. So, therefore, dt is equal to multiply 2 into 2 is 4x plus 3 into 1 is 3, 4x plus 3 into dx. Now, the given integral can be written as given integral is equal to integral 4x plus 3 dx is nothing but dt divided by 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is nothing but t. This is 1 over t dt, right. Now, integration of 1 over t is log t plus c. This is equal to logarithm of what is t? T is nothing but 2x square plus 3x plus 5 plus c is the integrated answer. So, the answer for this is log of 2x square plus 3x plus 5 plus c is the integrated answer. So, if you observe carefully, this is also of the form f dash x by f of x. F dash x by f of x is nothing but log f of x. Logarithm of 2x square plus 3x plus 5 plus c is the integrated answer. Okay. So, hope you followed all these type of problems. All these type of problems are very important for the point of examination. You may expect this type of questions for MCQ 1 mark and 2 marks. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept. Let us discuss 3 marker questions in the next session. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.